And I seen the love and the respect, and my son is here with me as he's a big fan of yours. He wouldn't let me come on this trip by myself. And he was like, Dad, I'm on spring break. He got all A's in NYU, so I said, he's DJing tonight with me. So,
wow.
Yeah. But it's a long list of people, but I just want you to know that we love you and we appreciate you.
We do.
And look forward to your future. Anything that you need, I'm here. Sky's not the limit, it's just a view, and we love you. Blessings.
Watch what happened when Black Coffee turned 50 in Cape Town. The entire industry pulled up and it was just so beautiful to see. What's up guys, welcome to the Content Street, your plug for the hottest celebrity news and trending stories in Mzansi. Now this weekend something big went down. Legendary DJ and global icon Black Coffee celebrated his 50th birthday, and let me tell you, this wasn't just a party, it was an event. When I say the whole industry showed up, I mean the whole industry. We're talking about major names like DJ Maphorisa, Casper Nyovest, Fikile Mbalula, DJ Shimza and Oscar Mbo. And honestly, that's just scratching the surface. This shows the level of respect Black Coffee has built over the years. Not everyone can bring this kind of energy and unity into one room. But beyond the trending moments, let's not forget what this really represents. Black Coffee is not just a DJ, he's a global brand. From humble beginnings to performing on some of the biggest stages in the world, he has stayed consistent, relevant, and respected for years. At 50, he's still dominating the game, and that's something a lot of artists can only dream of. He's a living proof that passion, discipline, and consistency can take you far, not just in South Africa, but globally. And honestly, for a lot of people in Mzansi, he's more than just an artist, he's a role model.